It's not every day you get to fish a mountain lake that didn't even exist 46 years ago.
Oh, I just felt an earthquake.
At 8:32 a.m., May 18th, 1980, Mount St. Helens unleashed a massive landslide and its north flank collapsed, permanently reshaping the landscape. That slide dammed Coldwater Creek and gave birth to what we know now as Coldwater Lake. Today, snowmelt and spring-fed inflows keep the water cold and crystal clear. Then in 1989, Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife stocked rainbow trout alongside a naturally returning population of coastal cutthroat, turning this once devastated area into one of the most unique and rewarding places I've ever fished. I believe that I figured it out. I put on this little ant with a parachute. It's gonna happen now. All I need is a rising fish to prove my point. All right, I have tied on now a black ant right here. I think that's gonna be the ticket. All I need now is a stop stepping on my line and a rising fish. Oh, is that a refusal? No, waves. All right, that didn't work, so I'm gonna try right here. A little Madam X. All right, it's gonna happen. Right there. Fish rose right here. Back up and eat it. Dare you. Yes! Oh, the Madam X. Oh, yay! I figured it out. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. I got you. One in the boat. Look at that. Nice little rainbow. Stuck right in his face. I'm doing the stomping on my line dance here. Oh, there he is. Yep. I found the right fly. Jeez. This thing is going nuts. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Went from 0 fish to 3 fish in the boat. It's very rude the fish are not eating that. Now my confidence is high. I got the right fly. Oh, I wasn't looking. I was looking away. Oh, there we go. Oh, you spit it. Jumped right at me. Oh, see that? Nice. Oh, it's a better one. A gooder one. A gooder fish. It's a much gooder fish. Oh, yeah. Nice. Look how colored up that guy is. Super cool. Fish just launched itself out of the water up here. Nice. Oh, he's off. I bet that feels good not have to worry about that.
Quite good.
Yeah, there's nothing better than taking care of that when you're fishing, because pretty soon it's all you're thinking about. Just wondering how long is it going to be until I poop myself.
I can't fart because I might
Right.
soil my underwear.
See that stump underneath there? Watch this. There's going to be a fish there. Yeah, he wasn't interested. Oh! Just as I was about ready to give up. Jeez, these things are aerobatic. It's kind of nice, you know? Calling the shot. I'm like the Babe Ruth of fly fishing. Thank you very much. Right there. Oh. Man, he just came up to sip it. Just missed him. Stump. Got nice fish right there before. Oh, see that? Oh, yeah. Just had a feeling. Nice fish. It's always kind of cool. As soon as we go around this corner, the waterfall sound just disappears. Oh, yeah. Looks like a good one. We can double up here. God, the lake is so clear. Look how far down you can see. Right here. Oh, right there. Oh, shit, that's a good fish. Oh, solid fish. Yeah. Little guy. Take it. Now let's see if I can lose the fish on purpose. See, when I want to lose the fish on purpose. Oh, good, it came off. It's like a mountain tornado. When we get to the river, I'm going to have another piece of chicken and some creme brulee.
Oh.
The finer things in life. It's one thing I could say I've never had is creme brulee on a boat.
You say that after that is true.
So we can scratch something new off the list. Oh, man. You walloped it. Ooh, this one's got the gill thing too.
wrong with the trap.
Oh no. Oh no. Like why is it like that? What is wrong with this fish? I was looking down on my camera. All right, oh, there we go. It's just a little guy anyway. This rock over here always gets me a fish. Oh. Yeah! Didn't let me down this time. Woo! All right, let's experiment here. I don't want to lose this fish. Now I'm just going to throw slack at it. I'm going to throw more slack at it. Still hooked. More slack at it. Still hooked. Complete slack. Still hooked. Why do all the fish that you don't want to come off, and then the ones that you just rather come off don't come off? There it is. Past the experiment. It's just how the universe intends it. Oh, come on. Stop spinning.